WDW Radio, your information station.
Hi, I'm Lou Mangello from WDW Radio here at the American Adventure Pavilion at Epcot's World Showcase to invite you to a very special event. On Friday, September 28th, join us for an evening with the secret society of historical American adventurers and an evening unlike anything you've ever seen before. Join us here inside the majestic American Adventure Rotunda for a private dinner exclusively for us and a show that's going to take place for and all around us throughout the night as well. If you've ever been to the Adventurers Club in Pleasure Island, think about that kind of concept, a living theater that's going to be very interactive with us the entire night, but with historical figures from American history. Now, I can't give away too much other than this is something that has never been done before and may never be done again. The date again is Friday, September 28th from 7 to 10 p.m., a great way to kick off Epcot's 30th anniversary weekend and the start of the Epcot International Food and Wine Festival. More information and tickets are available by visiting the events page over at WDWRadio.com. I hope to see you on September 28th for an evening at the American Adventurers Club. I'm Lou Mangello, Kungaloosh. And thanks for staying till the very end of the video, because what I didn't tell you is inside the Rotunda during our dinner and show, we're also going to be joined by a number of Disney artists, Imagineers, and legends who are going to share and enjoy the show with us. That's just one of the many surprises in store for us on our evening at the American Adventurers Club. Hope to see you there.